Best practices for Revolut staking involve understanding the platform and making informed decisions to maximize your returns. First, it is essential to comprehend what Revolut staking is, which is a feature that allows users to earn rewards on their cryptocurrency holdings. To begin staking on Revolut, you need to have a Revolut account and some cryptocurrency in your wallet. The next step is to choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake. With options including Ethereum, Cardano, and others, each cryptocurrency has its own staking requirements and reward rates, so it is crucial to research and compare them before making a decision. One of the key concepts to understand is the concept of validation, where validators verify transactions on the blockchain and are rewarded with cryptocurrency. As a stakeholder, you essentially lend your cryptocurrency to these validators, who then use it to validate transactions and earn rewards. A practical example of this is staking Ethereum, which requires a minimum amount of Ethereum to be held in your Revolut account. Once you have met this requirement, you can begin staking and earning rewards, which are typically paid out in the same cryptocurrency. Best practices for Revolut staking include diversifying your portfolio by staking multiple cryptocurrencies, which can help spread risk and increase potential returns. It is also essential to keep your Revolut account and cryptocurrency holdings secure, using features such as two-factor authentication and biometric login. Another key best practice is to regularly review and adjust your staking portfolio, as market conditions and reward rates can change frequently. This involves monitoring the performance of your staked cryptocurrencies and adjusting your holdings accordingly to ensure you are maximizing your returns. In conclusion, Revolut staking can be a great way to earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings, but it requires a thorough understanding of the platform and its features. By following best practices such as diversifying your portfolio, keeping your account secure, and regularly reviewing your holdings, you can maximize your returns and make the most of this feature.